Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, since I am snowed in and have no place to go and cannot go anywhere, I thought why not sit down and get this Boxy Charm video filmed and edited and uploaded for you guys. I was super excited to film this video just because I saw what was inside my box and I'm like, oh my freaking god, like I cannot wait to play with all the goodies. If you do not know what Boxy Charm is, it is a monthly subscription of $21. You do get, I believe, 5 to 6 full-size products, and usually your box is over $100 in value. But again, you are only paying $21. So if you love makeup, if you love getting new stuff every single month, or you want to try new brands that you might not want to splurge on yourself quite yet, I believe that Boxy Charm is the way to go. So if you want to know what I got inside my November Boxy Charm subscription box and how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing inside the box is, of course, you're going to see the card. So the theme of the box is Gold Digger, gold as in G-O-A-L instead of Gold Digger, which is, I think, is so cute. And then of course you have all the products that you received in the box. So this is what my box looks like. I did take a peep inside the box because I needed to know what to put on my face and what to leave off of my face. But I am just so excited with this box. I think that this is just one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten so far. I believe this is my third Boxy Charm box. I haven't been subscribed to them for too long. So the first thing that I pulled out is the Luxie brushes. It is a set of 4 and they are gold with the glittery handle, which I think is super cute. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set goes for $21. The next thing I grabbed out is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And these lashes go for $14.99. It says elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made with premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume, which I am super excited to play with these. These look gorgeous. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try these on. So the third thing that I am taking out is the Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is a $5 eyeliner and it just looks like it is a black eyeliner with glitter in it. So we will see how that works out. Alright, so I'm super excited to try this glitter drops in the shade Nova. And this is a $44 product right here, which I am super excited. I always wanted to try something from Cover FX and I just never bought anything. I'm glad that they included this into the box so that way it gives me a chance to try out their products. And it does say these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed in with your foundation or moisturizer to add an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So I don't know about putting it all over my face, especially since I have textured skin, but it is something that I would definitely rub all over my body, like my shoulders, my collarbone, cleavage, you know, legs in the summertime. But I would be excited to use this maybe as like a highlight just right here, or even maybe all over the lid as like a simple but very glittery luxury eye look. And the fact that these are $44, like your box itself is $21. So, and just these brushes are $21, so you're getting an amazing deal. So the last thing in the box is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Ace Beauté Grandoise palette, which looks super cute. I love the packaging already. It comes with 4 shimmers and 4 bold mattes. And this palette does go for $24.99. It just comes with the cardboard with the information on the back. So if you want to know more about the ingredients and stuff, it is on the cardboard, but not on the back of the palette itself. And this is a cruelty-free product as well. And this, whoops, comes with a little plastic thingy to protect your eyeshadows from, I guess, smearing all over the top since it doesn't have a mirror. But these are the colors and they just look I cannot wait to play with this palette. Alright, so first things first is to open up the brushes. I will try to use all the brushes for the eye look, just so that way we can see how they perform. But I did not open up the brush set yet, so I'm not sure exactly what all brushes come in the set. So this is what the brush handles look like, very glittery and shiny and pretty, but it doesn't look like it's the type of like glitter that's gonna fall off and like get everywhere. And then this is what the brushes look like. So you have a angled brush, and then you do have a small, looks like a small blending brush, and then you do have a flat top angled brush as well. Don't know if you can see that. And then you have like a pencil brush. So the first shade I'm going to use is Patchouli, which is this like cream shade right here. It is one of the matte shades, and I'm going to use the mini tapered brush, which is the 121 brush, and I'm just going to dab into there, and I'm just going to use that shade just to kind of set everything that I have down. And I usually prefer a little bit more of a fluffier brush just to use all over the lid. And then I'm going to go into Clove, which is a pink peachy shade. Freaking love that shade. And I'm just gonna go into the crease. So I did bring you in a little bit closer just that way you can kind of see what I'm doing. So next I'm going to go into Poppy, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to use that on the outer corner. And I'm going to use the mini angled 131 brush. So I did go back in with the mini 121 brush just to go ahead and blend. So then I'm going to go in with Rose, which is the shade right here. It's such a pretty color, and I'm just going to use that all over the lid. And to pack that on, I'm using the mini flat angled brush, which is the number 111. So next I'm going to use the 141 mini round brush, which just looks like a pencil brush, and I'm just going to dip right back into Poppy and just use that on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to go back into Clove and just use that to blend out Poppy. I'm gonna prime rose to the center of the lid. I think this look is just great for Thanksgiving. It's very cranberry-ish, as well as for Christmas as well. Now, I think the look as how it is, especially in person, it like, you can see like in person anyways, you can see like each color layer and how it just transitions, and I think it is a beautiful look. But just to add a different color to the look, I am going to add prime rose right to the middle of the eyelid. These gold bronzy shades was calling my name, which I'm sure a lot of us were attracted to the bronzy warm tones, but these bright colors also caught my eye, so I thought, why not play with those, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be attracted to these shades right here. So I thought, why not just play with these shades and then maybe just add a little bit of gold to the middle. I'm gonna go into Jasmine, and I'm just gonna use that as my brow bone highlight, which I usually go for a matte highlight on my brow bone here lately. Before I used to love a blinding brow bone, but now I just go for a matte, and then I put a shiny highlight in my inner corner, but why not go all out today and just pop the inner corner just like that. Even instead of prime rose, if you wanted to go in with Jasmine, which is a beautiful champagne color, and put that over top in the middle as well, that would be beautiful. There's just so many looks that you can do with this palette, and I just cannot wait to continue to play with it. All right, so before I put on the lashes, I'm just gonna go in with the glitter black pencil and I'm just gonna tight line my lashes. I'm gonna try to put this on my lower lash line as well. I'm not sure because of the glitter. I'm hoping it doesn't scratch my eye, but we will see. So it added a little bit of color. I can already tell you that this isn't the best pencil for your lower lash line. I can tell already that it's not going to stay. It's already fading, and because of how, I guess, wet my waterline is at the moment. All right, so next I am going to go in with the lashes. All right, so the lashes are on. They did go on super easy. They do have a little bit of a thicker band, which some people like, some people don't. I prefer a thicker band just because it's easier for me to make sure the glue is on the band and not on the lashes, as well as they are a little bit easier to clean and not as like fragile, if that makes sense. They could be a little bit on the dramatic side if you're not used to lashes, but I think that they are very beautiful. So the last thing that I want to use is the Color Effects drops, and I'm just going to put these on my cheeks. This is what they look like, and I'm just going to add just, oh my god, that's a lot. That is a lot. So I'm just going to use the pointy side of my Real Techniques sponge. Now I just wanted to try these on. I already did like put on powder and everything, so it's not going to be the best application, but it is very glittery and loud. So if you like a loud pop of a highlighter, then you will love these. I think that they will look so beautiful, like on your shoulders, your clavicle bone, things like that. And you can see here, like, it's a little bit goes a long way. So yeah, look at that, beautiful. So I'm thinking you can just like tap it across your lid and do like a nice look that way. But they are so smooth. It's not chunky glitter either. So beautiful. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly set that highlight. Not that it needs more highlight, but I'm just gonna use using my Fuego highlight from Dose of Colors and the Desi and Katie collection. just to set that and make it look a little bit better, because like I said, I put the liquid over powder, which you never do, which I do sometimes if I still want to try something out, which I know it's not going to be the best application, but if I already put powder on my face and then I see, ooh, liquid, I still want to try it, even though I know I shouldn't, I still put it on. But the glitters itself are beautiful, and I don't mind a little bit more of an outrageous highlighter, and as well as you can do other things with it, so I'm not mad at it. So I did add a matte liquid lip from Milani. It is their number 10 Adorable. Alright, so the review of the box. So the whole box in total was $109.98. So $109 worth of products, and I spent $21. So not mad at it. I am super happy with everything that I got in the box. I don't really think anything let me down really. The palette I freaking love, and I just want to just keep doing my eye makeup over and over again because it is just so inspiring, and I love the shades that came inside the palette. Lashes I love as well. I cannot wait to get more use out of them for sure. They are going on for New Year's. My opinion for these Color Effects drops are very well known by now. Freaking love them, and I cannot wait to play with them even more. I did use every brush in the set, and I love every single brush. Not one brush gave me an issue. I even used this small little tapered blending brush to do all the blending in on my eye, and even though it was very small, it did take a little bit longer, but it wasn't made for the whole lid. It's just kind of made for precise blending in the crease, but it did hold up for the job, so it did do a great job at blending. Love the brushes. And last but not least, I have to say this is my least favorite product out of everything. It is okay. I did use it for the top lash line and the bottom waterline. It's not good for the waterline. If you wanted to use it maybe right underneath the waterline and use a different pencil in the actual waterline, because it's not going to hold up. You can see it's already disappearing. But for the top lash line, it was okay. It wasn't the best. It wasn't the smoothest application. I don't really go for eyeliners that have glitter in it. So, but it wasn't scratchy for me. Maybe because, I don't know, the glitter wasn't scratchy. I thought it was going to be scratchy and irritating, but it wasn't. So it was okay. Alright, so that includes everything for this month's BoxyCharm unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below. I would love to hear from you guys and communicate with you. Until next time, bye.